guys, and welcome to my YouTube channel. If it's your first time here, welcome. My name is Ann, and if you have been here already, welcome back. In today's video, I'm gonna do a makeup look using this new palette by Colourpop. At first, when I saw the palette for the first time, I wasn't like, wow, but I forced myself to use it, and after actually using it, I really like it. I wanted to create like a soft, sparkly look, so that's what I'm creating today. And the first thing I'm doing is priming my eyelids, and I'm using the MAC Cosmetics Soft Ochre Paint Pot. In my previous videos, I used the new Jaclyn Hill palette, so therefore I wanted to do like a different kind of look today using a different palette. So that's why I'm using this palette, and the first color I'm going in with is this light matte color. I'm going to use this underneath the brow bone to kind of highlight the brow bone. I really like to use matte shades underneath the brow bone. Then now next I'm going to take this shade, which is a really light, it's kind of a soft brown color with kind of a, I don't want to say peachy, but it has just kind of a different undertone. Like it's not a straight up brown, it has something going on which I don't know how to describe basically, but it's like a really nice soft color. So I use my Sigma E40 brush, and I'm just gonna blend it all the way from the inner corner to the outer corner, and also blending it along the outer V. Then now next I'm gonna take this shade, which is called Wink Wink, a really cute name. It's a bit darker than the shade I used before this one, but it kind of has the same undertone. So I'm pressing it first in the outer V, and then with whatever's left on my brush, I'm going to blend it up a bit higher towards the crease area. This is actually a really easy look, if I haven't told you guys yet. I was doing this eye look before I went to the hairdresser. I wanted to do like a really quick look which kind of looks glamorous because I used a sparkly eyeshadow, but it was so easy to create. And I feel like sometimes when I say eye look is easy, some of you disagree with me in the comments, which I don't mind, of course. If you find it not looking very easy, I can totally understand, especially if you're not like really experienced with eye makeup. But I just hope by watching my videos it's becoming more easy for you guys to recreate it. So now I'm using my finger, and I'm gonna press it in the middle part of the eyelids. Really beautiful color, and this is gonna be the base for the glitter eyeshadow I'm going to apply afterwards. And it's just a really gorgeous color. You can also leave it like this and skip the next part where I'm going in with the glitter if you want to go for more of a softer look. But I really wanted to try out the glitter in this palette, which is this shade, which I'm using right now. Again, I'm using my finger to press it on the middle part of the eyelids, and I just think it's so stunning. I didn't expect to like this palette as much as I did, even though I receive so many palettes from different brands to like do videos with, so I'm not sure if I'm gonna use this palette again, but I was really surprised by how gorgeous the colors are. I think this is such a beautiful palette for every day, but also for bridal makeup, party makeup. I think it's really beautiful. So now for the next color, I'm going to take this one, and I'm going to press it underneath the lower lash line. I blended it together with the color Wink Wink, and I use a flat diviner brush to press it right underneath the lower lash line. And then after that, I'm going in with a tiny blending brush to make it more softer looking, because the flat diviner brush by Sigma does apply it quite harshly, which I actually like for this particular step of applying it. But after that, I do like to go in with a softer eyeshadow and a softer brush to just blend it out. So I mixed two shades together again, and I'm just gonna sweep my brush from left to right, back and forth, and also blending it like towards the outer V, because we kind of used like the same colors in the crease area, so it's now really easy to blend it up towards the outer V and to connect the crease area with the lower lash line. And now again, I'm going in with this color right there. I didn't want it to go for eyeliner today because I feel like eyeliner just kind of makes eye looks look more complicated. Some people don't like wearing eyeliner, so I decided to go back in with the flat diviner brush and that shade I just used and press it right above the lash line instead of going with eyeliner. And then now next I'm gonna take this shade, which I think has a slight sheen into it. It looks really beautiful, and I wanted kind of a pop in the inner corner, so this is kind of make the inner corner of the eye look more bright. Then I'm taking a lash curler, which I always do before going in with mascara. It just lifts the lashes up a bit higher, which kind of makes your eyes look more wide open, and then normally I would actually go in with mascara, but I forgot to use this in the waterline, which is a pencil by L'Oreal. So I used that off camera in the waterline, but I will put the name in the description bar. So if you're curious, like, she's suddenly wearing something in a waterline, that's the pencil I used. It's a really nice one. And then now I use the Roller Lash Mascara from Benefit, which is my absolute favorite mascara. I really like it. Then I'm using these lashes, which are from Tati Lashes. And I'm going to use my finger to apply them right above the lash line. And then with a tweezer, I'm going to press it right against the eyelid, like straight above the lash line. Super beautiful lashes. I think they look really beautiful with today's eye look. And I love that I didn't use any eyeliner, because I felt like sometimes it's just nice to do like a look without eyeliner. I feel like you can see the eyeshadow a bit better, the lashes look more bigger, and yeah, I just really hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know if you're gonna try it out. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed. This is really helpful for my YouTube channel. Don't forget to subscribe if you aren't already, and I hope to see you guys in my next video. Bye bye.